Imagine living one full day completely in English, from sunrise to bedtime. Every word, every sentence in English. That's what you will practice with me today. Shadow my voice, repeat after me, and watch your fluency grow. Are you ready? Let's start. The sun comes up. The sky is pink and light. Soft waves enter my window. I open my eyes slowly. My alarm beeps. I turn it off. I feel sleepy. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I sit up in bed. I yawn. The air feels cool. I hear birds outside. They are singing. I stand up. I walk to the window. I pull it open. Fresh air catches my face. I breathe in deeply. The air smells clean. It feels like a new beginning. Outside, I see a neighbor. He waters his flowers. He waves at me. I wave back. He says, "Morning." I say, "Good morning." His dog sits nearby. The dog wags its tail. Some run, some walk slowly. One girl eats bread. A boy kicks a stone. A mother carries her baby. The baby looks around. The baby smiles. The street feels alive. I go to the bathroom. The floor tiles are cold. I switch on the light. I look in the mirror. My hair is messy. I laugh a little. I brush my teeth up and down, left and right. I rinse my mouth. I feel fresh. In the kitchen, my sister makes tea. The smell is strong. She pours tea for Dad. My brother takes a shower. He sings loudly. It makes me smile. Mom cooks breakfast. She fries eggs. She toasts bread. Dad sits at the table. He drinks tea slowly. He reads the news. We all sit together. The table is small but full. We eat bread with honey. We drink tea. The eggs are warm. My little brother spills milk. We all say, "Oh no." Then we laugh. He cleans it with a napkin. It's normal morning. It feels simple and good. I wash my plate. The water is warm. I dry my hands. I go to my room. It's almost 8 o'clock. I need to leave soon. I pack my bag, notebook, pen, snack, water bottle. I zip it closed. I put my snacks. I tie my shoes. I wear my jacket. I check my phone. I check my keys. I'm ready. I say goodbye to my family. Mom says, "Have a good day." My sister says, "Don't forget lunch." I smile. I open the door. The street is bright. Leaves move in the wind. The air feels fresh. I walk to the bus stop. My neighbor walks his dog. The dog barks once. A girl waves. I wave back. At the bus stop, people wait. One woman talks on the phone. An old man waits a paper. A boy listens to music. His head moves with the rhythm. The bus arrives. The doors open. I step inside. I say hello to the driver. He nods. I tap my card. I sit by the window. The bus moves. I see shops outside. A bakery, a flower shop. Children laugh as they walk. The city feels busy but calm. I reach my stop. I press the button. The bus slows down. I thank the driver. I step off. My workplace is close. I walk to the building. It is tall. It has many windows. I see a coworker. She says, "Morning." I say, "Good morning." We walk in. The hallway is quiet. I reach my desk. It is clean. I sit down. I turn on the computer. The screen glows. I check emails. I reply slowly. I write carefully. Click send. A coworker passes. He drinks coffee. He says, busy day. I smile. Yes, many tasks. I check my list. I work on a report. I type slowly. I fix mistakes. I save the file. Done. At 10:30, we take a break. We go to the kitchen. The smell of coffee is strong. Someone brings cookies. We laugh and talk. We share stories. The room feels light. After the break, I make a call. A client asks a question. I listen. I answer slowly. She says, thank you. I say, you're welcome. At noon, we meet. 6 people sit at the table. The manager talks about projects. We take notes. We share ideas. She says, good teamwork. We smile. It's lunchtime. I open my box. Pasta with tomato sauce. It smells nice. Others eat sandwiches, soup, or rice. We share stories. We laugh. It feels like family. After lunch, I go outside. The sun is warm. The park is green. Children play ball. Birds fly. I sit on a bench. I take a deep breath. I feel calm. Back in the office, it's quiet. I type slowly. I fix mistakes. I drink water. I work on tasks. My friend offers me chocolate. I take a piece. We smile. Then I keep working. The phone rings. I answer. A client needs help. I write notice. I find the answer. I explain it. She says, thank you. I say, glad to help. The day goes on. The clock shows 4:45. I almost finished. I clean my desk. I shut down my computer. I stand up. I stretch. I say goodbye to coworkers. I walk to the bus stop. The air is cooler. The sky is orange. People walk home. Some carry bags. Some ride bikes. Some talk on the phone. The bus comes. I get on. I sit near the window. I watch the city. Shops glow with warm lights. People buy bread. Children laugh. Flowers shine in the shop. The bus rolls on. I reach my stop. I thank the driver. I walk home. The houses are quiet. A cat sits on a wall. It watches me. I step inside. I take off my shoes. My family is home. Mom folds clothes. Dad comes in from the garden. My sister cooks. This meal is strong. Rice and vegetables. It smells good. We sit the table, plates, spoons, cups. We sit together. We eat slowly. We share stories. We laugh. It feels warm. After dinner, we clean up. We wash plates. We dry them. Dad makes tea. We sit in the living room. The TV plays soft music. Mom reads a book. My sister plays with the cat. The cat jumps around. We laugh. I call my grandmother. Her voice is kind. We talk about her garden. She says, I'm proud of you. I smile. Later, I go for a walk. The street is quiet. Children ride bikes. Neighbors talk softly. The sky is dark. The moon shines. It feels peaceful. Back home, my brother shows me a drawing. He smiles proudly. I say, great work. I read him a story about a bird. He listens. His eyes is closed. He sleeps. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. The water feels cool. I look in the mirror. I feel calm. I write one line in my notebook. Today was a good day. I lie down. The bed feels soft. The blanket is warm. I turn off the light. The city rests. The stars shine. The world is quiet. I close my eyes. Good night. Okay, you did it. One full hour of English shadowing. You listened, you repeated, you practiced. That is real progress. This is Learning English channel. Keep listening, keep practicing, and believe in yourself. See you next time.